up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sam, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my May Boxycharm unboxing. So like every other Boxycharm unboxing, I'm going to be showing you everything that I got in this month's box and trying it on for you. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm, then just keep watching. So this month, when I opened the box, I noticed that there was no card given to me, which kind of sucks because I use that for, like everybody kind of relies on the card to see what they got in their box. But that's okay because I went on the website, the Boxycharm website, and they have everything there. So I'm going to use my phone to give you descriptions of everything, retails, and all that stuff. So the first thing in the box is this, which I don't know what the theme of the box is. I think it's like Mother Nature or something like that. I don't have the card, so I don't know the theme. So there's that. But anyway, so the first thing in the box is this, and these are the Ayam Beautycare Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes, and apparently they remove even waterproof makeup. So online it says these Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening the skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous, designed for all skin types, including sensitive and dry skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these. I personally am not a fan of makeup remover wipes. They really irritate my skin. I have them, but I only use them if I'm like swatching things in the back of my hand and I just want to get rid of makeup, like, you know, that I've been swatching all day, but I never really use them on my face. So right off the bat, they don't really seem like that wet. They seem a little bit more on the dry side. So I don't know if they're supposed to. They smell really clean, but with like a hint of citrus almost. So I'm gonna use this all over my face. I don't have any makeup on my face, but it does say that it removes dirt and dark spots and whatever else it claims to do. I think it's just gonna irritate my skin. But it is always nice to have makeup remover wipes on hand. Like I said, I use them when I'm swatching and things like that. But this is not something I think I'm gonna reach for. It doesn't even feel like it's wet. Maybe it's just because it's the first one. It does smell good. I'll give it that. It smells really good. It doesn't feel good. Like, the wipe itself does not. It feels kind of rough. I'm really not impressed. Like, I'm really not impressed. And that's only because, again, I don't use face wipes that often. But it wasn't even like really wet. It felt kind of dry, and I can't even imagine using this on my eyelid to remove waterproof mascara. Like, I just absolutely would not go anywhere near my eye with this. So for $17, that's the retail value. I don't think I would purchase these for $17 when you can get the Neutrogena ones, and they feel a lot more moist and they're not as rough as this one feels. And they're cheaper because they're at the drugstore. So this I kind of pass on. So the next thing in the box is this, which is from GlamGlow. It's the BerryGlow Probiotic Recovery Mask, and it says here that it retails for $49, which is very expensive, but that's pretty typical for anything from GlamGlow. Their masks are pretty expensive. It says here, a moisturizing mask packed with super berries and probiotics to help repair skin's moisture barrier. It's like a superfood smoothie for your face, blended with beetroot and hibiscus flower. This creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing hydration treatment helps repair a compromised skin barrier. Skin feels strengthened with a visibly revived, healthy glow. So I am kind of excited that we got this because I really do love GlamGlow's masks. I'm just gonna pin my hair back and pinch it and then put this on. Oh. By the way, it does smell like a smoothie. It feels like I'm rubbing a smoothie on my face. I'm really not mad at it though. I'm just doing a thin layer, and it says to leave it on for 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this mask on for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off. You can either use a tissue to wipe it clean and then work in the excess, but I think I'm gonna just rinse it off. It smells like a smoothie. It smells really, really good. It smells like berry blast. It's just, it's so good. It smells really delicious. But it feels like you're rubbing baby food on your face. Pretty much essentially what it feels like. So I'm gonna leave this for 10 minutes and then I will see you when I rinse it off. Okay, so I took the face mask off and I forgot to film like what my skin looked like after, but honestly I rinsed it off because it was starting to feel sticky and I don't think that I would want to like take it off with the tissue and then rub any excess in because it was making my face feel sticky. But when I rinsed it off, it did really feel really soft, like my skin felt really, really smooth. So I do love this mask and I think I'm going to be using it again for sure. But moving on, the next thing that I got in the box is this. It is the Daily Concepts shampoo bar, and I'm not going to read the description because the description on Boxycharm's website is hella long, is really long, and I'm not going to sit here for 20 minutes to read about this. But I will tell you that it retails for $24, and basically the main concept behind this is to reduce plastic waste, and it's shampoo and conditioner in one bar, and you use it like you would a bar of soap. It smells really, it smells like essential oils, basically. It smells like eucalyptus, lavender. It smells really good. Like, it's definitely something that I enjoy in scents, but I don't know how I feel about it. This is something that I would have to use, but I'm not going to be trying it in this video. If I try it, I will be trying it tomorrow. If I try it before I post the video, then I will let you know in the description bar how I feel about it. But yeah, basically it's to reduce waste, reduce plastic waste, our plastic footprint, and to just condense our shampoo and conditioner into a bar. So it is kind of cool. It smells really good, and it has avocado oil in it. It's got aloe, cactus, so there's good ingredients in here, and it is cruelty free, so there's that. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this from Pretty Vulgar, which is an eyeshadow primer. So this retails for $22, and it doesn't look like there is a description on here, but it's an eyeshadow primer. And Pretty Vulgar, it's either hit or miss for me. There's products from them that I love. There's products from them that I'm like, whatever. Their mascara is not my favorite, but I do love their bronzer and I do love their highlight. So I've never tried, hello, Caesar. I've never tried the eyeshadow primer before, but I'm just going to get a little bit of that on my finger and pop that on my lid. Maybe I'll put a little bit too much. It does feel a little bit sticky. So I do have underneath this, excuse me. I do have underneath this concealer, but it's fine. I always put concealer. I didn't know that this was gonna be a light color. I thought it was going to be transparent. It is leaving my eyelid pretty sticky, so I am happy about that. Caesar, where are you going? So this eyeshadow primer is really sticky, which I like, because it's going to give the eyeshadow a really nice sticky base to stick to. Which leaves me to the last product in the box, which is this. Caesar! I'm sorry, my cats, there's nothing I can do, okay? Cats are cats and they just don't care. They don't care about anything except themselves. So this is the last product in the box. It is by StudioMakeup. It is the Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. It is pretty basic neutrals palette, and it smells like Too Faced, like the chocolate palette. Pretty much any Too Faced like chocolate series palette, that's what it smells like. It smells good, and it has a mirror, which is nice. So let's see what it says. So it says, the StudioMakeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette displays a versatile color scheme complementing all skin tones for the creation of countless natural and glam looks. This all-day and all-night creamy smooth eyeshadow texture glides on and blends with ease, providing true color coverage in a single stroke. And this retails for $35. So let's see how this works out. I'm just gonna do what I usually do, which of course is I'm gonna speed through this. I'll show you the eyeshadows that I use, I'll show you the brush that I use, and I will apply, and then I'll let you know what I think of at the end. Okay, so I finished up my eyes. I just added some mascara, threw on some lip gloss, like nothing special. But I have to say that this eyeshadow palette, I really underestimated it because I was like, oh, this seems like a really basic eyeshadow palette. Like, you know, it's probably not going to be that great. It's actually a really, really nice palette. I love the way that the colors blended out. I love the colors that are in this palette. They are super neutral. They're really basic colors, but they're just so easy to work with. And I really do like this palette a lot. This is something that I'll definitely be putting in my makeup collection and using more of. So stay tuned for that. You'll probably see this makeup palette out again. But yeah, that was it. That was everything that I got in this month's box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you got in your Boxycharm. And yeah, that's it. I have nothing else to say to you. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. And if you have not already, please subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Caesar, honestly, like, you're stressing me out. You're stressing me out. Can you please? Caesar, oh my god. Literally, I can't even yell at you. Do you even care about anyone but yourself?